Yes guys, super day, super enjoyable day, lots of drift, lots of aggressive drift. If you love drift, sit back, relax and enjoy it. Enjoy the drift, enjoy the drift. Don't forget to smash this like button, like. Oh my days! The last run before the lunch was just a carnage. It was so good. The chap in front of me hit the wall, and luckily he didn't. Well, luckily I didn't run into him. I have a brand new tires today at the back. It makes a massive difference. It's so easy with the brand new tires. You don't spin, you got plenty of grip. You can chase, you can keep up with other people. It's just such a massive difference. Previously, on kind of newish, boldish tires, I was like chasing a Beamer, and in the corner here, he's just pulling away from me, and I can't do anything. It's just madness. But now, it's really enjoyable. But today at another level of difficulty. We got the low sun, and it's it just blinds you all the time on one corner. Really good day overall, really good day. Lots of cars, drifting with different cars is always good. Yeah, waiting times are okay actually. I was thinking that it was going to take ages, but I think we're going once in every 10-15 minutes, which is really good in my opinion. Good day, good day. Oh my god, what a difference the tires make to the drift day, especially if it's wet. And new tires, just a lifesaver. I can keep up pretty much with every single car here on track. It's unbelievable again, oh my god. Expensive. Only one drift day left at this venue this year, so I'm definitely coming back in 2 weeks or 3 weeks time. So you'll see another video soon.